Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix projecting to this PC feature disable problem in Windows 10. Click on the start, click settings, click apps, under apps and features section, click optional features, click add a feature, search wireless, click the checkbox in front of the wireless display, click on the install. Wait for Windows to download and install the wireless display app on your computer. When you see installed, it means the apps has been successfully installed on your computer. Now you can see all the options that are enabled. Thanks for watching.